Okay, welcome back to my channel. So this equation under simultaneous linear equation, okay, and we are given 7x plus 4y equal to 27, 4x plus 3y equal to 14, and we are asked to use elimination method to solve these equations. So let's make this one our equation 1, this one our equation 2, okay. Before you can start solving using the elimination method, you should think of two numbers. Think of two numbers in a way when one of them multiply this equation 1, this coefficient of this y, it will be the same with the coefficient of this second equation y. Meaning if you use one of those two numbers to multiply this equation 1, the coefficient of this y will be the same with this coefficient of this y. Meaning if here is 12, then here too will be 12. If here is 10, here too will be 10. Make sure they are the same. So what are those two numbers? The two numbers are 3 and 4. Are you getting it? 3 times 7 will give us 21x plus 3 times 4 will give us 12y equal to 3 times 27 will give us 81. Then we come to the down one, the second equation, 4 times 4x will give us 16x plus 4 times 3y will give us 12y equal to 4 times 14 will give us 56. So you can see the coefficient of y in the equation 1 is 12. The same thing with the coefficient of y in the equation 2. Are you seeing it now? So the two numbers are now the same. Let's make this one our equation 3 and this one our equation 4. Okay, so let's subtract the equation 4 from the equation 3. Okay, so 12 minus this one, 12y minus 12y is 0, so no need of writing. Okay, so 21x minus 16x will give us 5x equal to 81 minus 56 will give us 25. So we have x equal to 25 over 5 equal to 5. So the first one, our x is what? Equal to 5. So this is how you can use elimination method. Okay, so we have look for x. So the second one is what? Y. Let's look for y. Let me write the two equations again. We have 7x plus 4y equal to 27, and the second one is 4x plus 3y equal to 14. The second one, we are going to find what the value of y. The same way, let's think of two numbers in such a way when those two numbers multiply these two equations, the coefficient of x will be the same in equation 1 and equation 2, so that we cancel this x, then look for the value of y. Are you getting it? So the two numbers are 4 and 7. So let's multiply. 4 times 7x will give us 28x plus 4 times 4y to give us 16y equal to 4 times 27 to give us 108. The second one, 7 times 4x will give us 28x plus 7 times 3 will give us 21y equal to 7 times 14 will give us 98. So you can see that the coefficient of x in equation 1 is the same thing with the coefficient of x in equation 2. So let's subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So 28x minus 28x is 0. So no need of writing. So 16 minus 21. Note that we are using the first equation to minus the second one. Don't use the second one to minus the first one, okay? Make sure you use the first one to minus the second one. Are you getting it? So 16 minus 21 will give us minus 5y equal to 108 minus 98 will give us 10. So make y the short of the formula, y equal to 10 all over minus 5 give us minus 2. So y equal to minus 2. Therefore, our x equal to 5 and y equal to minus 2. You see how simple it is using elimination method to solve questions under simultaneous linear equation. Okay, so if you don't understand, you can rewatch the video. So thanks for watching. Please follow my page for more videos. If you are watching on YouTube, subscribe for more videos. Please share this video to your friends, to your colleagues. Okay, please don't forget to share. Follow my page. Bye.